Here we learn how to prompt. I mean how input is expected from the Python program. The Python program gives like age equal to input, how old are you, and there are questions being asked like this. So we will run this Python program and see how it is really working. So now as it is their input like age is asked, what is the question it is put, and we are saying some 18, and then the next question is how tall are you, some 150 centimeters or something, and then weight input, how much do you weight, some 70 like this. So then altogether we are printing you are 18 old, if 150 tall and 70 heavy or something like whatever, and this is we are using in previous examples like from formatting part. Okay.